Okay, here we are, setting off in an hour. This is the everything list. What we got? Passport, bank card, money, phone, electronics, GoPro head torch, spare GPS, MP3 player, Sharks earphones, the multi-plug, 2 big batteries, one with a solar charger, all the maps, compass, 2 Scotland flags in case anyone starts speaking. I'll have to speak English to a French person. 3 highlighter pens, a biro, a fucking route guides, a map case, first aid kit with loads of blister plasters, paracetamol, ibuprofen, antihistamines. We've got Savlon, anti-chafe powder, sun cream, toothbrush, toothpaste, lens wipes and water purification tablets. Black sacks, a big bag of stuff to fix things, loads of cable ties, what else? Loads of sports tape, tent repair tape, double-sided tape, brown tape, velcro straps, pair of trainers, mountaineering stuff, boots, eye sacks, crampons, rope, bag with a GPS stuck on it, water bladders, the bit of food, bivvy, sack, sleeping bag, ground mat, pillow, towel, trowel, camping pot, mega sport, multi-tool, sunglasses, rock gloves, light gloves, waterproof mitts, buff with balaclava, socks, waterproof Berghaus stuff, 2 merino wool tops, 2 merino wool bottoms, 1 spare pair of boxers, yes we're going with 2, a fleece and some trousers, and I can't see this anymore, but that's it. Hello, we're at Gatwick. This is day 0. We've got about 4 hours till the flight goes. We've got some shit from M&S. Cost me about 20 quid. Fucking Gatwick is the worst airport. Yeah, it took me like an hour to get to North Terminal. Everything's shut. There's like an M&S and a fucking Pret. So I'm just waiting until 4 AM until everything starts opening. Finally found the smoking area. It took me so fucking long to find me. No. We're in Hendaye, it's pish. It's fucking windy and rainy. So my phone doesn't work, I don't know how to get to the train station, so I'm gonna get a GPS out. Okay, first mission complete. I had no idea how to get to the train station, but I found this thing that looked like a train station. And it is a train station. A French woman helped me get a ticket to Hendaye. Is that to Hendaye? Well, it better be, because it leaves in 20 minutes. Right, we're at the start. There's the sea. That building over there is the official start point. Let's have a look at the GPS. We're here, and it's only a short way to go to the other side, so let's get cracking. Oh, I didn't want to record there. Yeah, that's me. Ready to go. I've got my food, got the ice sacks and the crampons outside the bag. I'm laden with food. I got 3 litres of water, no gas though. It was guaranteed gas shop in the first town, which is like 8 days away. So unless I spy something walking through the town, that's it. We're blasting out of the town. It's enough fucking around's been done. It's time to go now. See you later, Hendaye. And 2 minutes later, this is the path now. Just fucking, I had to dodge around, jump over the fence, And now we just walk down this. My first horse. Heard his bell ringing. Hello horse. Getting up high now. It's raining, like continuous rain all day. There's like a mini peak up there for us, and then we go down a bit and there's a higher one. There's quite a lot of climbing to do. The path is pretty slippy. I'm doing it in trainers. Alright, so we've just been all the way up there, past that pylon, only to discover, oh hang on, only to discover that we went the wrong fucking way. So I've had to backtrack all the way here, and where it's actually wanting me to go is like in there, but there's nothing in there, but whatever. Where are we going? Yeah, just keep following this fucking shit. I'm having a fucking bath in this. That's fucking ridiculous. That's the path, right? It's just fucking trees. It's like a river, so low, but my bag is so fucking high. I'm absolutely drenched, like my shorts are fucking wrung through. I'm worried I'm gonna rip the fucking cover. But anyway, let's keep going. And now we're in fucking Gorse Hill. Finally, we're out the ferns of death. That was no fucking joke, man. Got a fleece on and I just want to see what my balaclava looks like. Hang on. Oh my god, that's scary. I don't know if you can see. Oh god, get the fuck away from there. Go, 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 go. Okay, that's where we're going now. We're over the first big hill. Well, the smaller of the big hills. And it's that big one ahead. That's what we're heading over. And out of nowhere is a fucking bar. The magical bar sells left blonde for €2. 2. Yeah, so we've had our wee drink. Like the weather's getting fucking appalling. We're going up there now. So I think it's 5 PM. I think we've got another 6 hours to go. So we might not do the full day. There's a bit, the last bit you've got to make your own way down this hill. So I think we'll get to the top of that part and stop and not hit the town. What time is it? 5 PM. So I've been on the go for 42 hours now. So I've had my beer, which is nice. But anyway, let's get back to it. 34, not 42, 34. Look what I fucking found. Did they sell camping stoves? Let's find out. It's just a supermarket, but no fucking camping stoves. But they sold lighters, like all that shit down the hill. They sold lighters and skins. And I can ask for that in French. He starts fucking speaking Spanish. I think I've accidentally verged it. Oh, fucking 1 meter into Spain now. I don't speak any fucking Spanish. Like, so close to what I need, but no. We're in Spain. Look what they sell, man. Like, just massive fucking things. Feeling the burn now. Halfway up this huge fucking hill. There's a town at the top. We won't make it to the next, well maybe we will. But I was just looking at GPS feeling sorry for myself. And we've actually done, the vast majority of the day. It does, when you zoom in, it still looks like there's fucking loads to go. But we have done quite a lot. So I'm gonna fucking dominate this hill. And then try and figure out how the fuck we dry stuff. Everything's wet, like I've moved all the backy into the fucking dry pouch with the first aid stuff, ironically. Well, I'm getting a bit of mental fatigue now. But anyway, let's keep going. Okay, we've come up the misty path. It's fucking misty. Oh, I think we're at the top. It started getting chilly, so put my fleece on, and let's just see what this is saying. Yeah, you go up around the corner and then you go up here and then back, but I'm pretty sure that's a village. It better be a fucking village. So there could be a fucking hot meal up there, or they could just be wind and rain. Let's go find out, eh? Yeah, give me that wind. Fuck you. Can I break in? That's fucking ludicrous. Yeah, you could fucking camp in there. Fuck's sake. Look at the fucking panoramic views. There's more buildings. They've got there's a Pepsi Max machine that only takes kites. Look at the beautiful fucking views up here. But where are the French people? Where the fuck are they? We're trying to go down to the village. We're almost there. Just it's got dark, so I'm almost done. But we must complete day one. We must. Started 7 AM Friday, finished just before 11 PM Saturday. 40 hours non-stop. And they said Rome could not be built in a day. I'm not sure we can even see this. Can't get the fucking bag off. Basically, I did day one against all the odds. It's fucking pitch black. I'm gonna set up now for camp. There's a building behind me that seems to be shut, and I'm on some sort of flattened area of grass, so I can't see shit. So I've not got a fucking clue what I'm gonna wake up to. I don't know if you can hear, but there's a fucking horse over there with one of those fucking bells on it. At least I know it's not coming to trample me. So anyway, I've got to charge everything. Earphones are dead. This has fucking got 10%. Garmin's on about 50. I've got my head torch on the tree for some light. But yeah, good shit. Day one down. Day two's a similar size, but I get to start in the morning, not fucking afternoon. And I've got all my shit. But I'll start with wet feet instead of it taking 10 minutes to do. So, right, better get to bed. See you later.